Hello my friends, today I am resharing how I do my easy everyday dirty waves. As always, everything is linked at carolamoran.com. First, I start with day 2 or 3 hair, brush it out and apply dry shampoo. Be sure to shake it up really well, spray where you feel you need it, and let it sit for about a minute or so. Brush it out and section your hair. I have really fine hair, but a lot of it, so I do 3 sections. You'll want to add a heat protectant. This helps prevent damage to the hair. This is my favorite wand. I'm using a 1.5-inch barrel today. Start by taking small sections of your hair, wrapping each piece around the wand and away from your face. Repeat until you've done each area of your hair in this section. It takes a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll rock it out pretty quickly. After I curl, I spray with a flexible hairspray and let down the next section of hair, saving the pieces around my face for last. Don't forget to use heat protectant on the next section of hair and repeat the exact same technique as before. For the final pieces around my face, I like to brush it out and set my part. Then I curl the pieces like I normally would, but when I remove the hair from the wand, I pull on the hair to give it a more relaxed look. In case you missed it, here it is again. I curl and then I pull. Be sure to check and touch up any spots you may have missed. I like to spray it down again with hairspray and finger comb the waves for a more beachy look. When I'm looking to add more volume, I'll add this spray at my roots and within the curls. Be sure to shake it out, run your fingers through your hair, and you are looking good, girl. These will typically last me a few days. Of course, I will retouch and add more dry shampoo as needed. I hope you loved this video. Be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you try it out, I would love to see. Thanks for watching.